Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm doing bit of soap on the old tash. I'm doing two razors today by the same maker, so I'll run this video back to back. Says doing two. They're not a matched pair. They're just made by the same maker, ELMO, or otherwise known as Osborne and Garrett. They're famous for the Kropp razor. As you can see, I've got quite a bit of bum fluff developed over last week. This is the first video I've done for a while because I've been around Budapest, which is quite a fascinating place. Anyway, ELMO razors. This little neat one, original case. So we'll shape test this one first, and the other one has got the original case again, but not quite as good a condition. So let's put that out of the way. So we start off with this nice little neat cased ELMO. Very delicate blade, but that doesn't mean just because it's slim doesn't mean that you underestimate it. Sometimes these understated razors are really quite good performers. Very slim, elegant design, 3 pins, so you've got a nice sturdy handle, and you've got the half rising sun emblem there, and also repeated on the blade. I don't know if you can see that. Difficult to get the reflection there, you can see it now. Okay, so I'll do one half of my face with this one. Oh yeah, that's cutting through. You can probably hear it. My hands are a bit shaky today. I've had a fever or something for the last 8 days. So I'm still a bit shaky. Perfect. Nice little neat razor. Just going back to Budapest. That's an incredible city. For the first couple of days we decided to get a guided tour around the city so we could learn more faster, so you get to know the best places to visit. And this tour guide was really good, really informative. Apparently Budapest was renamed by the Romans some time ago. The Romans were out for their daily walk and they stumbled upon this place with fantastic health spas and natural waters that are about 36 degrees. So they decided, this Roman official called Abigus Adicus decided he would rename it, and he called it Budapest. A Buda or a Voda for the water. And Pest, or Pest as they said, is a pot, or cooking pot, or oven. So therefore you get the hot water. So Buda, Voda, water, and Pest was for the cooking pot, or oven. So there we get the hot water from. We actually visited this thermal spa, and it was absolutely unbelievable. I mean, I like my saunas and swimming pools and Turkish baths and stuff like that, but this was on a massive scale. I think there was about 15 saunas. Some were like 50 degrees, and the hottest one was 80 degrees. Really fierce. So you'd come out of there and there'd be a big deep pool, like a square shaped pool, call it the plunge, and that's about 18 degrees. So you come out of your 80 degrees and you just jump straight in. Fantastic experience. I'm not going to bother shaving my goatee today because my hand's shaking too much. I don't want to cut my chin off. So that's that first one shave tested. I'll just wipe the blade, I don't want to go in rusty. I always do that after you shave, and your blades will always be nice and clean and rust free. Okay, so that's that one. So let's move on to this one. Same maker, ELMO. And this one's slightly deeper. You've still got the rising sun. Move that. The rising sun there. Half rising sun. Just because to catch it there, I think. And you got a rising sun again here. Their trademark. Nice 3-pin design. Again. This blade is a little bit deeper than the first one. So I'll just refresh this lather before I carry on. Yeah, so we had all day, one day, in this thermal spa. When you get there's a big open air swimming pool, well there's about 3 actually, but the first one you come to, you just walk into there and you get the shock of your life because it's 36 degrees, like blood temperature, and it's boiling hot there. It's quite an unusual experience. You can definitely hear this one. So that was a health spa. Cafes and restaurants there and everything, and you're not starved. The tube system is really good, really quick, gets you around the city very, very fast. It makes me laugh when they come trying to overtake you on the escalator, running down to get the tube, running down an escalator and then run onto the platform, and then they stand there for about a minute while the train, tram, tube comes. I mean, what's the point? Some people are real stress heads. The Hungarian food as well is exceptional, really exceptional. We've got advised that we're in town, we must visit the New York Palace. What a place that is! If you're ever in Budapest, you've got to go there. Oh, they sell goodies. That's another bonus. And the traffic, Christ, I've never seen traffic like it. It's the main artery going through the town, through the city. There's 6 lanes. And all the traffic, including the buses, are getting up to motorway speeds before the red lights, and then accelerate off again to the next red light. A bit like the Italians, they're a bit the same. Nothing against Italians, I'm just saying that they're a bit of nutters on the road. Oh, and the food is fantastic, unbelievable. I went to one restaurant and they give you a hot piece of volcanic rock. And a steak or a fish or whatever you choose. And you actually cook it yourself. Okay, I'll leave that. I'm not going any further with that. I'll wait till my hands stop shaking. Okay. So that's the second little ELMO. There we go. That's going in my Etsy shop today. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll probably catch up later on in the week. I've got quite a few razors to restore over the next few days, so I'll be quite active on YouTube. Okay, thanks very much, bye for now.